How far my people? How una dey? We don bring una another ogbonge update come your side this morning. Nurtw crisis. Court grants Kunle Poly 1 million naira bail, transfers case. Now, the news in details. A Yaba Chief Magistrate Court in Lagos State on Monday, the 4th of April, granted bail in the sum of 1 million naira to the Lagos Island Branch B chairman of the National Union of Road Transport Workers (Nurtw), charged with murder. The Nurtw chairman, Azeez Lawal, aka Kunle Poly, is charged alongside with one Adekombi Wahab, who is 38 years old. Chief Magistrate Linda Balogun also transferred the case to a high court, stating that a prima facie case had been established against the defendants. According to Balogun, Lawal, aged 48, is to be tried for accessory after the fact to murder, while Wahab will face trial for membership of an unlawful society. She added that the DPP advised that 3 other defendants, whose names were mentioned in the advice, though they were charged separately from the 2 defendants, should be discharged. She transferred the case to a high court. A lawyer from the DPP, Mrs. O.R. Saliu, had told the court that the legal advice was ready and in the court's file. Following an application by counsel to both defendants, Mr. Adeshina Okunlano, who told the court that the defendants had been in custody for 48 days, the chief magistrate granted each of them 1 million naira bail. Balogun also ordered that the defendants should produce 2 sureties each as part of the bail condition. She held that one of the sureties must be a traditional ruler or religious leader, adding that both sureties must reside within the court's jurisdiction. She held that a self-employed person would not stand as the surety, adding that any civil servant wishing to stand as the surety must get a letter from the head of service of Lagos State. Balogun adjourned the case until May 11th for the report on the filing of the case at the High Court. The defendants were charged with conspiracy to commit murder, and membership of an unlawful society. They were remanded for an initial period of 30 days on January 27th and another 30 days on February 28th. Balogun earlier remanded the defendants at the Police Zonal Monitoring Unit Zone 2 Headquarters Onikon and subsequently at Ikoyi Custodial Center. The alleged offences contravene Section 233 of the Criminal Law of Lagos State 2015 and Section 3 of the Anti-Cultism Law of Lagos State 2021. So my people, how una take see this one? Finally, they don grant Kunle Poly bail, and people don dey complain say e don dey custody for too long, say they never charge am, make they grant am bail, make e come out, make e prepare in defense. So if they don grant am bail, as you don hear say they don grant am bail, say na 1 million naira bail they grant him and the other person wey dey charge alongside am, the Adekombi Wahab. So the things wey they put say they must do before they fit leave custody be say they say make they provide sureties, and they say they must provide 2 sureties each, and they talk say one of them must be traditional ruler or religious leader, and that they must reside within the court's jurisdiction. So my people, how una take reason this matter? As we all know, say they charge am with conspiracy to murder and membership of an unlawful society. we mean say they charge am with part of like cultism something na wetin that membership of in an unlawful society mean. And they don talk say they don establish a prima facie for the case, which mean say all this while wey they dey go court, all the things wey they dey talk, they don the judge feel say okay o, we get case wey we fit pursue for court. So they don feel say okay o, this case e dey, no be say na just assumption or they no really get anything wey they go fight for court. So they go see say they don get case, so they don transfer the case even go high court as we dey talk now. So we come see na for me I know say they even charge, apart from Kunle Poly and this Adesina Wahab, say they charge 3 other people, but those ones they don discharge them, meaning say they don say okay o, make una go, maybe wetin they say una do, no una no do am, or they don find evidence say they no dey involved or something like that. So at least they don discharge those 3. So na Kunle Poly and this Adesina Wahab, abina Adekombi Wahab rather, they fight this matter. So as they don establish prima facie for this matter, I mean say they don see say okay, something dey the case, they fit take am go court. Although they're not really telling us like details about the case and a lot of things, which I can understand, or because a lot of times in all these high profile cases like this, a lot of people want to know details about it, what they found out, what they've not found out, the evidences they have against the accused and all that. But then in this case, the court is trying to keep everything like hush hush. They're not really coming out to say much or of what is going on in the case. But then I feel a lot of people have been saying that they've been holding Kunle Poly since January. They should grant him bail as they've not found him guilty now. Like they say, you are innocent until found guilty. So as they've not said, oh, he's guilty, they should grant him bail and allow him to come home and prepare his defense. So at least now the court don't grant him bail, but they don't transfer the case go high court, where he go there, go defend himself for the charges where they get against him, wey be conspiracy to murder and being part of an unlawful society. So as we feel this for now, my people, how una take feel? Although I dey read comments, some people dey say why they release am? They not supposed to release am because it be dangerous to the society, as per na murder they charge am for. So why they go release somebody like that? Just leave am, make it dey roam street. But that one another take because if they charge you with murder and everything, e no right make they just leave, make you dey walk street. Because although they never say you don't do am, the judge never say yes, so you do am, but still it's still something to put into consideration. Another person say this one wey they don grant am bail, e go run away. So I don't think which is possible. You know, say within Nigeria, anything possible. But then I don't think that's how they do it, because as they tell them, say make they bring shorties before they grant them this bail, before they leave custody. All these things go play part in him not being able to run away, because anything, if he run away or he no come back or they no see him again, these people will sign for him as shorties, they go hold them. So at least make we see how the case they go. Any updates will come up on this case, you know, say we for here go bring am come your domot. So make una no forget to like or comment, turn your notification button, subscribe to this channel, so after they get this update, una go dey receive am, we go dey bring am to you. So and that's it for today. Thanks una. We go see you another day.